DJI, the company known for its drones and innovative cameras, is gearing up to release its next-generation action cam, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. This new model is set to shake up the action camera market and give GoPro a run for its money. So, what are the rumors, and when can we expect to see DJI Action 5 Pro? Let's find out. The first signs of the Osmo Action 5 Pro emerged when it was spotted on the UAE's Telecommunications and Digital Government Regulatory Authority. This initial leak got the tech world talking, but now there's even more concrete evidence of its imminent arrival. The camera has recently popped up in the U.S. Federal Communications Commission database, a clear indicator that its release is just around the corner. For those unfamiliar with the process, FCC registration is a crucial step for any wireless device entering the U.S. market. It ensures that new products meet safety standards and won't interfere with other electronic devices. When a product receives its FCC code, it usually means we're mere weeks away from an official announcement or release. But what can we expect from the Osmo Action 5 Pro? While DJI is keeping its cards close to its chest, the Pro moniker suggests some significant upgrades over its predecessor, the Osmo Action 4. This would be the first time DJI has used the Pro label for its action cameras, hinting at some serious improvements. One of the most anticipated upgrades is the potential inclusion of a 1-inch sensor. The current Osmo Action 4 uses a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor, which is good but not great by today's standards. A larger sensor would mean better low-light performance and improved overall image quality, putting it on par with some of its high-end competitors. Another area where we might see improvement is video resolution. The Action 4 tops out at 4K, which is respectable but not groundbreaking. With rivals like the Insta360 Ace Pro offering 8K recording, it wouldn't be surprising to see DJI step up its game in this department. Battery life is another aspect that could use a boost. The Action 4 managed about 80 minutes of mixed recording before calling it quits. For a Pro model, we'd expect to see this number increase significantly. Additionally, better heat management would be welcome, as the Action 4 was prone to overheating in certain conditions. Of course, all these upgrades are likely to come at a cost. The Osmo Action 4 launched at $399, positioning itself as a more affordable alternative to GoPro's top-tier offerings. With the Pro label, we can expect the Action 5 Pro to come with a heftier price tag, possibly pushing it closer to GoPro territory. As for the release date, while nothing is confirmed, the FCC filing suggests we won't have to wait too long. DJI typically doesn't drag its feet once products start appearing in regulatory filings. An early fall release seems likely, perfect timing for capturing those adventure-filled vacations and outdoor activities. It's worth noting that a leaked image has surfaced, clearly showing the DJI Action 5 Pro branding. This not only confirms the name, but also gives us a tantalizing glimpse of what the camera might look like. However, as with all leaks, it's best to take this with a grain of salt until we get official confirmation from DJI. The arrival of the Osmo Action 5 Pro is set to heat up the competition in the action camera market. GoPro has long dominated this space, but DJI has been steadily gaining ground with each new release. The Action 4 was already a compelling alternative to the GoPro Hero 12 Black, and the Action 5 Pro looks poised to narrow that gap even further. For consumers, this competition is great news. It means more innovation, better features, and potentially more competitive pricing across the board. Whether you're a seasoned action camera user or looking to buy your first one, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is shaping up to be a device worth keeping an eye on. As we await official word from DJI, one thing is clear. The action camera landscape is about to get a lot more interesting. Stay tuned for more updates and get ready to capture your adventures in stunning new ways with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Thanks for watching.